Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Julia and you're watching from the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel. I'm excited. I'm always happy that I'm speaking to you, that I'm sharing good things for you. We have officially started trading since the 2nd of January 2024. So you can see that money has been we've been printing money since that time. I just want to share with you how we had a money week. We had a money week. We had a money week. And as you already know, we are in another week. And in today's video, I just want to show you what has happened since last week for us. Like, if you're ready, let's get into the business of the day because class is in session. If you have been following this page in this video and this channel, you would know that I'm always talking about stocks that are going to do well in the next few hours to few days. I'm going to show you some of the stocks that we have been talking about that finally did some wonders for us. And then there are also stocks that I kind of find in the maybe as market is about to open, and I will mention it immediately to my stock members and they will take up that advantage and they will make some money. So this year, do not give in to distractions. If this year you are intending to make money and your plan is to make that money with your smartphone in the comfort of your home or your office, you can start doing this. The beautiful thing is that you're earning this money in dollars. The advantage you have is your money can grow well because dollar is stronger against the naira. So I'm going to take us into the charts and I will let us know and show you how to fish dollars. That's what we do in the community. We fish money, we fish dollars. Every day I look out for opportunities, I share with my community. And some of these stocks, I call them sleep well at night stocks, meaning that you can buy them, go to bed, sleep, and when it's time for you to sell, you come and sell and you make your money. It's like a rinse and repeat. We just get in and get out, get in and get out, and we have our profits and we give our money purpose. I keep saying this. Give your money some purpose. So if you're ready, let's get into the chart and I will show you some of the things that happened. All right, fam. So I just pulled up one of the stocks that did wonders for us last week and it's called SOXS. So I'm sure you are familiar with this. Those in the community are already familiar with it. There are actually two of them that did gave us the New Year gift. Like I said, generally the market was down at New Year opening. All right, so this particular stock, we got it around $6 on 2nd of January. You can see that, and we sold it at $7. Can you see that? 7.2. It actually touched 7.2, and after selling it, I told my community people that this stock is going to head back again to that 6 to 5.9. And look at the movement. Since that day, it tried to pull up a little bit here and here, but it got rejected. And this place is sort of a resistance, meaning that it's difficult to go past this particular level at this point in time. But this stock just headed back. So we bought it here, we sold it, we bought it on the 2nd of January, we sold it, and we bought it back on the 8th of January. And we are waiting for the stock to take another upward movement and we are going to sell the stock. So this is how we make money. This is how we fish dollars. That is why I always give us some clues on what to do. I'm going to show us another stock which I have been mentioning. If you have watched my previous videos, especially the ones I did in December, I constantly kept talking about this particular stock and I will show you what it has also done. All right, so we're back to the second stock, which is the SQQQ. Look at the ticker symbol, SQQQ. So like I said, the same thing. In fact, let me even show you something. Let me show us the last 1 month. So the last 1 month, I've actually mentioned that this stock has been on the downward streak. So from 15.6, it has dropped and until it touched 13 This was around 28th to 29th of December. And if you have been following my videos, go and watch them. You will see that I've actually been mentioning this particular stock. But nevertheless, let me get back to what happened between the 2nd of January and now. This stock picked up from 13.30. We got it at 13.30. That's 13.30. And this particular stock, we took it all the way on the 2nd and we sold at 15. That means we got about $1.70, almost a $2 move. So you can imagine that if you have 10 shares, if you had 10 shares, you will get $17. You can imagine how fantastic this is. Amazing, right? And if you had 20, you would have gotten yourself $34 just in a space of 2nd January to 5th January. And right now, the stock has come down to our buy zone and we're actually scooping it back. There is something called DCA. Okay, there's something called the DCA. DCA. It means dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging means that when a stock gets into where you want to buy it, you will be buying it in bits. So for instance, this stock, we want to buy it at 13, but once it touches 14.0, you buy like maybe 2 shares. You pick like 2 shares. It goes down to 13.90, you buy 5. It goes down to 13.80, you buy 10. And at the end of the day, you will get the average of the different prices that you're getting it. So as the price is going lower, you are buying more. And at the end of the day, you may have purchased for yourself a total of 20 shares, but you bought them at different prices. So the ones you bought at the higher price and the one you bought at the lowest, by the time you put everything together, you will get the average. And that average simply means that you will get it at a very sweet price. Instead of putting all your money and buying it at 14, and then it goes down to 13.50. So you have to wait for the stock to now go up to 14 again before you start counting your profit. So dollar cost averaging is a tool that we use in the community, and it is a very vital tool. We also use it in so many other things. I told us that this year I'm going to be doing a lot of information, giving you a lot of information that will help you. But if you want to get into the community, there are so many things that we discuss in the community. And so this is how we make money in the community. If you ever want to join us in the community, that's the second link in the description. You can join us and you will get heads up started. And there are so much more that we share in the group than what I talk about in the YouTube channel. Here is just to open your eyes to see what you can do and how you can make money from the comfort of your zone. And this is a brand new year. And that is why I want you to join the community and learn how to fish your dollars. That is what we do. We give our money purpose and we make money in dollars just having your phone. So in this century, in this moment and this time, so many things have been made easy for us, and you, yes, you watching should be a part of it. Thank you very much. And again, I will ask you to subscribe, like, and drop a comment in this video. If so far you've been learning something, I would like to hear from you, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.